Hi everyone. In this video, I will introduce a Harmonized World Soil Database. The Harmonized World Soil Database is a 30 arc-second raster database with over 15,000 different soil mapping units that combines existing regional and national updates of soil information worldwide with the information contained within the 1 to 5 million scale FAO UNESCO soil map of the world. With this tutorial, I will show you how to access and download the HWSD Harmonized World Soil Database raster data, and also will demonstrate the data features in the ArcGIS platform. So firstly, you need to go to this website with the address iiasa.ac.at. In this website, you can use this search box to find HWSD data. So I will type in here HWSD and then enter. After that, you can find many search result. On here, you can find the Harmonized World Soil Database. So you can click this one to find the details of Harmonized World Soil Database. So in this web page, basically you can read the overall information about the HWSD raster data. With that, you can click this button, download HWSD and more information. Just click, and then this brings us the more detailed web page for Harmonized World Soil Database. Also, you can access this web page directly with this address. So on here, you can find the address for this website. As you can see in this web page, the IIASA, International Institute for Applied System Analysis, and FAO started this project to develop more detailed world soil database based on FAO UNESCO soil map of the world. After that, the ISRIC, International Soil Reference and Information Center, and European Soil Brand-New Network, and ISSCAS, Institute of Soil Science, Chinese Academy of Sciences joined this development of World Soil Database. Now the version of this database is 1.21, which was updated in 2012. So you can read all the details of this database development. So in this web page, you can find this download now button. If you click this button, you can find this HWSD viewer setup execution file is just start to download. Actually, we don't need this setup execution file, so I will cancel this download. And then you need to click this download data only. So you can find the different web page. In here, you can find many data files for this Harmonized World Soil Database. Actually, I will download all the links on here for the HWSD raster and HWSD MDB. This is Microsoft Access file, and also I will download this HWSD meta file. So it takes some time to download all the selected data files, so you need to wait some minutes for that. So now I have finished the download and unzipped the downloaded data. So in this folder you can find the unzipped folder for HWSD raster file. So this folder includes the files for the S3 types the raster data. So in this video, I will not cover all the details for this database file, but we can open this access file to see the details for this HWSD database things on here. So I will make some videos for all the details for use of this the access data for the other modeling work for the hydrological the simulation. Actually, this kind of the soil database is required for the SWOT models. So in that case, I will make some the details the tutorials for how to use this data for the hydrological modeling. Okay. So again, I will cover these two, the MDB data. Also, in this page, you can find the report for this Harmonized World Soil Database. So go back on this web page and click this the icon. And then you can find the HWSD documentation. On here, all the detailed the characteristics for the soils and all the descriptions for the database on here. So you can, if you want to see the details, you can download this report and see the details for the use of your work. Okay? So at this point, I will open the downloaded HWSD soil data. So on this ArcGIS platform, I will click the HWSD and that's the data I unzipped, and then just drag. So I don't need this pyramid things. So the data is relatively big, so it takes some time to load the data. And then you can find this unknown spatial reference. Actually, just click OK. And then I will check this property for this data set with the cell size. Actually, this would be degree. So, as I told you, this HWSD dataset is 30 arcsecond. So, if we convert as a degree, you can get this the degree amount on here. Actually, this would be around 1000 meters. That is 1 kilometer. So the grid cell size for this data set would be 1 kilometer by 1 kilometer grid on here. So for the symbology tab, you can check the unique value. After that, you need to change this color scheme with this one, and then just apply. It will change the color of the map for this HWSD data. And then click OK. Again, it will take some time to loading all the changed the data things on here. So you can find the very detailed the legend for this HWSD dataset. Harmonized World Soil Database, the legend. On here, I will make hollow to see more clear on the continent-based soil data with the colors. So if I make zoom in with this icon for the Mekong area, so I can see not much differences from the FAO digital soil map of the world with this harmonized world soil database. Again, to zoom to layer. However, this China part may be updated with more detailed soil data. Yes, I can see some detailed soil maps on here. So it is some different from the FAO digital soil map of the world because this the harmonized soil data updated with the Chinese provided soil database. Okay. So with this Harmonized World Soil Database roster, you can make and proceed your study area's project work. Thank you for watching.